Wondershare UniConverter review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Wondershare UniConverter and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wondershare UniConverter, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wondershare UniConverter, it is a comprehensive multimedia software designed to convert, compress, edit, and manage video, audio, and image files in one platform. It supports a wide range of file formats and allows users to convert media quickly while maintaining a high quality. In addition to file conversions, the software also includes tools for video compression, trimming, merging, adding subtitles, screen recording, DVD burning, AI-powered enhancements, and downloading online videos from supported platforms, and also its user-friendly interface make it suitable for beginners. So now to start using this, you can simply click Try It Free button in here, or you could also click See Pricing to see some of the pricing plan that they offer. By clicking here this See Pricing, it will show you in here the price including on each plan. We have here monthly plan, yearly, and perpetual plan, with the corresponding prices and list of benefits including on each plan. And you can buy it depending on your needs in here as well. So let's say you're now done choosing your own plan and also creating your own account in here. After installing the Wondershare in your PC or Mac, this is basically what it looks like. It will show you on the left side panel the home option, AI tools, My Files, Converter, Downloader, and even compressor in here. And on their homepage, it will show you a variety of options to use or feature, including a compressor, screen recorder, image enhancer, and even subtitle editor, image generator, watermark remover, video editor, batch image editor, video background remover, and even this noise remover. However, some of these you need to have an upgrade account or premium plan in order to use those kind of feature. And since we're currently using only a free plan, we'll not be able to use some of this kind of feature in here. So again, you also need to simply buy or purchase the plan such as monthly, yearly, or perpetual. However, by free plan, you can simply do a screen recorder by clicking Start Now button. You have an option to screen record, webcam recorder, navigate the audio recorder, app recorder, or game recorder. So let's say I'm going to click game recorder. It will show you in here on this pop-up window that you have an option to choose which kind of recorder, such as Xbox in here, or you want to record a wheel of voice. And also below here, it will show you that you can even navigate to turn on off the microphone and choose here to turn it on and off also this speaker if you want to. So you can even turn on a webcam depending on your preferences. Now aside from game recorder, we also have here this screen recorder, on which upon clicking on it, it will show in here that you have a box option in which you can even resize this to only highlight or cover which part of the screen you want to record. So you can even customize to turn on the microphone in here and the speaker depending on your preferences as well. So you also have here this webcam recorder to turn on the webcam upon recording it, in which by clicking on it, you also need to simply show the ratio of the sizes of the screen you want to record. You can even make it bigger if you want to, depending on your preferences as well, and even choose to turn on the microphone, adjust the height, the width, depending on your needs. And if you also click the gear icon or the settings icon, it will show you in here on this pop-up window an option such as the general option, in which from here it allows user to customize how screen recording are captured and saved. It is used to configure recording preferences such as the output folder, video format, the quality, frame rate, and audio source. We also have here the mouse, which control how the mouse cursor appears during screen recording. It allows user to choose whether to show or hide the cursor, making recordings cleaner when cursor movement is unnecessary. And the option also provides visual effects such as highlighting mouse clicks or emphasizing the cursor, which help viewer easily follow on screen actions. While the other option to navigate is the audio and the shortcut. The audio option Screen recording settings in here allows user to configure the sound sources, including the recording. User can choose to record system audio, microphone audio, or both at the same time. And this feature is useful for capturing computer sounds, voice narration, online meetings, lectures, tutorials, gameplay, and presentations. While the shortcut, on the other hand, enables user to assign or customize keyboard shortcuts for controlling the screen recording process. These hotkeys allow user to quickly start, pause, resume, or stop the recording without navigating the software interface. So basically, some of those screen recorder option in here in Wondershare is designed to capture activities displayed on a computer screen in real time. It allows user to record the entire screen, a selected window, or a specific area, while optionally capturing system audio, microphone input, and even webcam footage. This feature is commonly used to create video tutorials, online lectures, software demonstration, gameplay recordings, and many more. And aside from this, by providing high-quality video capture with customizable recording settings, the screen recorder helps user to produce a clear and professional recordings for educational, personal, and professional purposes. And now, aside from that, we also have here this AI tools, which provides a collection of artificial intelligence-powered feature that enhances and improves multimedia files with minimal manual effort. However, some of those features you need to have an upgrade account or pro account to navigate this kind of feature. And depending on the version, this tool can include AI video enhancer for improving video quality, background remover for removing or replacing image backgrounds, image enhancer for increasing image clarity and resolution, noise remover for reducing unwanted background noise in audio or videos, and even the subtitle generator for automatically creating subtitles from spoken audio. So for instance, in here, we're going to navigate the subtitle generator or editor by clicking on it. From here, it will show you that the next thing that you need to do is to simply drag or simply upload here the file or video with a subtitle on it. By clicking on it, it will show you in here that you have an option to choose the subtitle auto subtitle generator, which is the AI part, or import subtitle file if you have, or even navigate the text to subtitles if you want to, or the manual subtitles if you want to do it manually. And after that, it will show you on this pop-up window that you can simply navigate also some other things, including the language, the limited or the whole sentences, the AI subtitles, and many more. Or if you want to simply navigate the manual subtitles or text subtitles, you can simply enter here the script that you have for your text as a subtitle. And it will show you in here that it should be appear on the subtitle section. Once done, you can click the export button below if you want to. But going back on this page, you could also navigate the My Files option, in which it serves as a centralized library for managing media files that have been imported, converted, edited, or processed within the software. While this converter, its feature is to simply convert one format to another of a multimedia files. You can simply add here the files and choose which kind of format you wanted to convert it. While the downloader option in here allows user to download videos, audio, playlists, subtitles from supported online platforms for offline use. While here the compressor is designed to reduce the file size of videos, audios, and images while maintaining an acceptable level of quality. So overall, this UniConverter helps user to provide an all-in-one multimedia solution for converting, editing, compressing, downloading, recording, and managing video, audio, and image files. It enables user to easily convert media into different formats compatible with various devices and platforms while maintaining a high quality. So that is just basically how you can use the Wondershare UniConverter. Thank you.